Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 9 and the name of the unit is light and shadow. Concept check, fill in the blanks. Shadows are made when light is blocked by an object. Light cannot pass through most solid objects. Smooth, shiny objects reflect more lights. Look at these objects and place them in the correct columns below. The first one has been done for you. यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ objects हैं और यहाँ पे ये टेबल है. इसमें हमने इन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को लिखना है. सबसे पहले है मैन मेड सोर्स ऑफ लाइट, वो ज़राए जो इंसान के बनाए हुए हैं लाइट के. यहाँ पे है नेचुरल सोर्स ऑफ लाइट और नेक्स्ट वन है सोर्स ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट. मैन मेड सोर्स में लांटेन, ट्रैफिक लाइट्स, मोबाइल फ़ोन स्क्रीन, टॉर्च, इलेक्ट्रिक लैम्प, कैंडल, मैच और टॉर्च है. नेचुरल सोर्स ऑफ लाइट में सन, स्टार्स और फायरफ्लाई है. और सोर्स ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट में मून है, मिरर है और मेटल ट्रे है. Choose the correct answer. Light travels in straight lines. These are called arrows, rays, lines, shadow. And the answer is rays. How is a shadow formed? First option is when light is blocked by an object, when there is no light, when a surface reflects light, when there is too much light. The answer is when light is blocked by an object. The type of surfaces which reflect more light are tall, dark and smooth, smooth and shiny, large objects और C है cars. And the answer is smooth and shiny. Which of these can light pass through? Wooden door, glass window, thick curtain, metal. And the answer is glass window. Which statement is correct? An object close to a light makes a big shadow. An object close to a light makes a small shadow. A big object makes a small shadow. An object far away from a light makes a big shadow. And the answer is an object close to a light makes a big shadow. Answer this question. First question is how are shadows made? The answer of this question is shadows are made when light is blocked by an object. Next question is what are straight lines of light called? The answer is straight lines of light are called rays. Third question is name the main source of light, and the answer is sun. Sun is the main source of light. Fourth question is through which kind of objects can light not pass? Light cannot pass through most solid objects. Is a light more intense when you are close to the source or far away from it? And the answer is light is more intense when you are close to the source.